You want to create this smooth circular transition. First, get your clips and pre-compose them. After that, add a solid layer. Go to New, Solid. Choose whichever color you want. I'm gonna go with white. Now cut this around in the middle of your first clip. And cut this a few frames from the middle. After that, choose Ellipse tool. Have your mouse cursor in the middle of the composition and draw a circle while holding Control, like this. After that, go to Mask 1, add a keyframe on Mask Expansion, and reduce this until it's completely not showing, like this. Go where the second clip starts and cover the entire screen and pre-compose this layer. After that, do the same. And press invert. This looks choppy, so select these keyframes, press F9 to ease them, and copy my graph. Double press the layer, open keyframes, select this, ease them by pressing F9, and copy my graph. This looks good, but for it to look better, add deep glow. Settings I use is radius 500, exposure 0.45. And this is how you make circular transition.